Meaning of insignificantly.
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 Insignificantly. The word insignificantly means something that is of little or no importance or value. An action or event that is insignificant does not have a significant impact on the overall outcome. For example, if a person makes an insignificant contribution to a project, it means that their efforts did not significantly contribute to the success of the project. Insignificant events or actions can be easily overlooked or dismissed, and they do not have a significant impact on the larger picture. Overall, the word insignificantly describes things that are unimportant or do not carry much weight in the grand scheme of things.